Thank you for choosing ActivPlay, and welcome to the Saucer Swing Accessory Assembly video. Before assembling your saucer swing, make sure you have all the parts listed in the manual. Also, follow along in your manual to make sure you are using the correct bolts, washers, and lock nuts. We advise having a friend help you assemble your new saucer swing. We've provided tools to help with assembly, but you're more than welcome to use your own. Before we get into the swing of things, register your product warranty at skywalkertrampolines.com. Grab the connection frame and slide the blue plastic protectors on the ends with the curves facing out. Secure and tighten them with button bolts, washers, and lock nuts. Now get the two upright poles and make sure the feet are pointing out. Slide the upright poles onto both ends of the connection frame with the bend facing down. Secure and tighten the upright poles to the connection bar using button bolts and arc washers. Set the U-tube on top of the upright poles. Now place the top frame 1 pole against the U-tube with the holes facing down. Line up the holes and then secure and tighten the top frame 1 pole with button bolts, arc washers, and lock nuts. Repeat this process with the top frame 2 pole. Remove 2 middle plastic caps from the top of the jungle gym. Slide the top frame 1 and 2 into the poles on the jungle gym. Secure the front and back with button bolts and washers. Secure the sides with button bolts and arc washers. You are almost done. Grab a swing frame tube and insert the male side into a sleeve of the saucer swing. Do this with the other 3 frame tubes and then slide them all together. Now secure and tighten the frame tubes together with the swing chains. Insert the short end of the swing chain into the hole where the 2 frame tubes connect. Use washers and cap nuts to secure and tighten all of the swing chains to the frame tubes. Finally, insert the long end of the swing chains into the top frame 1 and 2 tubes. Secure and tighten using arc washers and cap nuts. Congratulations on completing the assembly of your ActivPlay saucer swing. You did awesome! For more information, please visit our website, skywalkertrampolines.com, or follow us on social media.